Hi, boys and girls. Today in math, we are going to practice some more with number bonds and equations. Okay, we know how to write an equation and we know what a number bond is, but we are going to break it up from the whole number into two different parts using tens and ones. Okay, so I have a whiteboard here, and this is our number bond. Do you guys remember that? Okay, so I'm going to write a number in my whole circle. Remember, whole, part, part. Okay, I'm going to write the number 13. Okay, 13. Now, if I think about the number 13, I can look at it, and there's 1 10 and 3 ones, okay? And I need to figure out two numbers that if I add them together will get me 13 using tens and ones, okay? So I'm going to draw 13 circles to help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and you notice that I kind of drew these circles in almost a 10 frame. Okay, so just like before when we were talking about tens and ones, we circled the 10 group and then we had our ones, our extra ones. So I'm going to circle 10, and there's 10 there, and how many are down here? There's 3. Okay, so 10 and 3, when we put them together, give us 13. So I can say that 10 is a part and 3 is a part. Okay, so 10 plus 3 equal 13. Now I want to write an equation. Okay, remember your equation are two numbers added together to get you your whole number. Okay, now my parts would go here. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Okay, now if I wanted to flip this around, my equation around, watch how I do this. I'm going to put my whole over here this time, and my two parts over here. So 13 is my whole number, and it equals 10 plus 3. Okay, I just moved the number positions. I did not change the numbers themselves. Okay, so 13 was our whole number, whole. 10 and 3 were our parts, 10 and 3, 10 and 3. Okay, they just flip-flop positions. Okay, let's do one more example. Okay, let's draw my number bond. Okay, I am going to use the number 16 this time. So 16 is my whole number. Now I'm going to draw 16 circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so 16 I want to divide into tens and ones. Now if I look at it, how many 10 groups do I have? Just one. Right here, this is a 10 group. Okay, and I'm going to write 10 over here. Now how many ones are in 16? 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down here. Okay, so 16 into tens and ones will give me 10 and 6. Okay, now I want to write them in an equation. So let's do our parts first. So our parts would be 10 plus 6 equals 16. Now I want to flip where my numbers are. I'm going to have my whole number first, which is 16, equals my 2 parts added together, 10 and 6. Okay, great job, you guys. I'm going to post a worksheet that looks just like this. Okay, this is the same thing that we just did. You are just going to fill in the parts and then fill in the equations. Okay, please post this page once you are all done on our Google Classroom so that way we can all see your work. Okay, great job, you guys.